How can we make s'mores even better? Put them on a croissant. We've always loved chocolate-filled croissants, and adding marshmallows to the mix seems so obvious that we wish we'd thought of it sooner. Start, of course, with fresh puffy marshmallows and plenty of chocolate bars broken into generously sized pieces. While someone's getting the campfire going, use a serrated knife to slice your croissants in half. Then take it all to the fire and get ready for your friends to be shocked when they don't see the usual graham crackers on the tray. Start by warming the croissants up a little bit so they're nice and soft. Then toast your marshmallows, getting them to whatever level of brownness you like, even if that means a little bit burnt. Now let's put it all together. Add plenty of chocolate to the warmed croissant, then carefully place the marshmallows on top. I like to use half a candy bar and 4 marshmallows for a full-size croissant. Add the top of the croissant and give it a good squish. If you've got the patience, wait about a minute for the chocolate to melt and get nice and gooey. Then dig in. Oh my goodness, this is such a heavenly combo that we may never go back to graham crackers again. We hope you give it a try, and let's go ahead and start the debate. Do you like your marshmallows golden brown or a little bit burnt?